Hi, I'm Kyle. I chose to work for Salmon because obviously it's the best company in the Valley. I've been doing it 9 years. I love what I do. I enjoy every bit of it.
Why did you choose that career?
Why did I choose HVAC?
Yeah.
I chose HVAC because it's a constant movement. I like making my own stuff. I like to take pride in my work. And when the job's finished, I like to be able to look at it and know that I was the one that did it.
Why should people choose Salmon over these big private equity companies?
I think people should choose Salmon because it is a family-owned company. Everybody in this company takes pride in their work, and we are very communicative, and everybody is like a family here, and we take great care of our customers.